Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the stock IRBT, which is the company iRobot. So last month I have purchased the stock at $46, and this month this stock has increased to $60, and the growth is like 30%. So I think maybe now is a good time I share why I bought this stock at first place and what I think the stock price will go to the future. So first I want to make a disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, so all the in the following the video is my personal opinion. So if you guys do want to make a investment decision, so please do the research and do the trading carefully. So now let's get started. So IRBT is a technology company that focuses on the robot vacuum, which is combine the robot and the vacuum into one product. So originally when I clean the room, I usually use, but that was until I used iRobot, which makes it totally different. So previously, since I have 2 cats, so I need to clean the room every day because there's cat hair and litters. I really use like 30 minutes to 60 minutes every day to clean the room. That including like sweeps of the dirty stuff and then mopping the floor and disinfect the area. So after I use iRobot products, I don't need to spend those time, and those time I save I can invest in other things like make YouTube videos or exercise or have a good relax or talk to my friends. So I think that the product is very worthwhile. Today I'm gonna talk into details about the market share, their product, and their financials, and lastly I'm going to talk about their stock price. When I search for the company information, because currently I spend a lot of time to do the stock screener, so I usually go to the Smart Stock Screener app and to do some quick research, and I also go to the company's website to see more details like their yearly shareholder presentation as well as their earnings call. I will look at the company profile. So this company actually has been in the industry for such a long time. It was established in 1990 and has been in market for 30 years, and it's got listed in 2005, and the headquarters is located in Boston. So this company is specializing for the robot vacuum as well as some other products like also the mopping machine, and recently they also have this kind of like lawning, automatic lawning machine, and in the future they are also gonna release like the snow removal products, and in the introduction that they also cooperate with US military and the government on develop some automatic products. So they do have a wide variety of a product line. When we go to the segments, first if we look at the geological location, the most market share they have is in US, which accounts for 53% of their revenue. That is because since they are like located in Boston, so the first market they promote is in the North America. And the second largest we can see is EMEA, Europe, Middle East and Africa area. And the third largest is in Asia, 16%. Since this is a company that has a high growth, since the company has a high growth and expect the stock price to going up a lot to rewarding their investors, so currently they don't pay the dividend, Instead, they use the money in the R&D area and develop. Secondly, I will look at their financial statistics. I saw the latest financial data for Q1 of 2020. So due to the effects of COVID-19, their sales revenue of first quarter is 190 million. So the first quarter 2020 revenue performed a decline of 28% in US, 14% in Japan, and 11% in EMEA. So because of that decline in revenue, the company suffered from a loss of the first quarter of 20 million, compared with the operating income of 20 million in the first quarter of 2019. And we know that there's a pricing drop in March this year. So at that time, the company has repurchased the 200 million stocks from the market and at the price of $37. iRobot has been the market leader of the vacuum robot market for a long time. In 2019, it has been on the market share of 80% of US and 61% in EMEA. In Japan, it's a little bit more compared with EMEA, it's 64%, because we know that Japan has a lot of automatic services like automatic ramen place, automatic vending machine, and automatic stores. So it seems that the product is more popular in Japan comparing with other Asian countries. And in China, the market share is only 6% in 2018. And globally, in total, excluding China, the market share is 70%. The company has been very innovative from the past several years. So the model I've used is Roomba 980, which is no longer on the market and is a very early version. So that is it can automatically vacuum the whole room, and but you still need to take out the waste literally by yourself. And I saw that the latest model that it has connected with the waste disposal along with the vacuum. So when the vacuum robot has returned to the charging station, it can dump the waste into the bin automatically. And what you need to do is just throw away the waste, the bag of waste, and which is much more convenient. I think it's not convenient for the 980 model is if the waste bin is full, the robot will stop there, and you need to take out the waste in order to be it to work. The company has a very diversified product portfolio, not only the vacuum robot but also the mopping robot, where it can spray some water on the floor and then wipe the floor like it's a stimulation of the human being mopping on the floor. And my experience is pretty clean, so if I wanna disinfect the room, I will just use some soap water or dish detergent, and it will mop the floor with that disinfecting liquid, and the result is pretty good. Being the leader in this industry, and since introduced in 2002, 30 million units has been sold. More than 9 million has connected robots, and more than 4 million has opt-in consumers. So the number has been growing as they sell more and more products across the world, but their market share has been decreasing a little bit due to the competition in this area. as more and more company who is specializing in like electricity or specializing in smart home appliances has been entered into this market. However, their revenue has been growing through the years. From 2016, which is 656 million, it's grown steadily, like every year it's around 30% to 20% to 10%. Until 2019, now it has 1,214 million. Although the company may face some risk right now, for example, due to the current pandemic, consumer may want to save money and spend on the necessary, or because now people don't want to go to the convenience store, so they have less chance to try on this new product. But overall, I would say the trend of automation will be big. Like if I can imagine what happened in the next 5 years or 10 years, I would see the robot will take a lot of places, no matter in the automatic driving, in the AI conversation robots like Alexa, and also like this kind of home smart appliance. So I would definitely this company have a high long-term growth with its expertise in this industry for around 30 years. Around $30 to the highest, which is $120, and then it's dropped due to the current pandemic is $59. Finance, it has given the 1-year target is $60, which I think it's a fair price given that current competitive landscape as well as the potential risk in the big environment. But I do think that if in the next 2 months when the stock price drop down more, this stock might be one of the things that dropped again in the next 1 or 2 months. If the stock price is below 46, I think I will want to invest in more, because I do believe the long-term success of this industry as well as the iRobot company as the market leader, and I think the technology company will be the gaining company no matter the current situation. So today I've listened to the interview of Bloomberg reporter with Ray Dalio, and Ray Dalio mentioned that so why the stock market is high when the economy seems not so good is because in the past the country has been transformed from farming countries to the industrial countries, and currently the country has been transforming into the technology and internet industry. And I would see that those industries will be booming in the next several years. I would think in the next 20 years, a lot of new industries will coming out, such as the social media, internet, and some automatic technology industry. So Dalio's idea that it's not that the wealth has decreased, it's just the wealth has transformed from one industry to another industry. So that's why another reason I believe in the robot industry. If you have any thoughts, please leave your comments down below. I'd love to read, and all the data I've used is from the company's website, Smart Stock Screener, as well as Yahoo Finance, and I will also leave that in the description box below. And so I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!